Somebody should consider living in Peachtree Corners because of diversity. Diversity of housing, diversity of people, diversity of businesses and jobs, diversity of school options, diversity of recreational opportunities, but diversity across the board. That's why somebody should consider here, because we offer something for anybody and everybody. The schools here are great in that there is, again, the diversity of choices, and we're within a public school system that is a very, highly regarded. For those who may not want to, enroll their children in a public system, we have a number of private school options as well. Depending on what your particular flavor is when it comes to education, even within our corporate limits, we have a lot of options for parents. When you work, live, play, recreate all in the same area, you have a high sense of ownership in that community. We have a high amount of civic activism here. We have a lot of people who volunteer, serve on, commissions and committees and task forces to make the community, again, that they live, work, learn, and play in. And so, when you do that, the sense of the fabric of a community becomes very strong. And communities are always better off when that's the case. Peachtree Corners is currently the second largest municipality in Georgia with no city property tax. We have a very hands-off amount of, government interference in daily activities, and as a result, we don't need to take a lot of money out of people's pockets. So it's important for us to keep that low. So as a result, people get to keep a little bit more money and use it to, spend it how they choose versus how the city chooses to spend it for them. In sum, if somebody out there is looking for a community to relocate, if they're looking for a community to open a business, if they're looking for a community to start a business, if they're looking for a place to spend the weekend or to recreate, or even to be a consumer, Peachtree Corners is a community that I think that individual needs to strongly consider, because for all of those people who are in the market for any of those, you belong here in Peachtree Corners. And we'd like to welcome you here, and we'd like to show you what kind of a community that we have here.